Hello crafty friends, this is the Paper Chef here. I am at my friend Bernie's house who hosted a workshop today. The workshop is called Happiness Blooms. All of the cards you're looking at are made by my students using the Happiness Blooms Designer Series paper, Happiness Blooms cards from Memories and More, and matching envelopes. And the sentiments are all, except for a couple sentiments, they're all from this stamp set here called Incredible Like You. This stamp set is only available until March 31st in our Spring Occasions Catalog 2019. Okay, now I just want to take you through the cards a little bit slower so you can see how the students all took the supplies and made these cards their own. I love the creativity and how they embellish them. Every card is different. And they're actually still making cards behind me as we listen to soft jazz played by Siri. Or is it Alexa? Somebody's playing soft jazz for us. Now these here in the plastic envelopes are the samples that I brought. So as you can see, the samples are different from the cards that they actually created. And I can't wait to hear the reactions of the people they send these cards to. Okay, here's the Spring Occasions Catalog Happiness Blooms suite of products. It's on pages 24 and 25 and 26. Okay, so if you'd like one of the Occasions catalogs, please contact me using the link below this video. Thank you for watching.